think I have seen that people they understand English but not able to speak just because they consume English content but never trying to speak by their mouth. So this is the biggest thing
Ye-
because they hesitate and get nervous. They think about others and about their mistakes. So these things you have to remove from your mind that nobody cares a lot. You just have to open up yourself.
Yes, I'm doing great. And what about you?
Yes, I'm doing pretty well. And you said that it's your holiday today, right?
Yeah, 2 day holiday in my Nepal at this time,
Mhm.
Saturday or Sunday.
Okay, it's like same. It's my weekend today.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with a short introduction. I would like to know a little bit about you.
Yes, yes. Why not? Thank you giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinamasta Institute of Technology, Rajbraj, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirvan University, KTM, Nepal. If talk about my working, I am working in health post. I am a health person. I have a government job. And if talk about my hobby, searching new things, make new friends. And I have YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh, where I uploaded conversation video, solo video, and
Okay.
my strength is communication skill. So that's all about me. May I introduce yourself?
Yeah, good to know about you. Okay, well, so my name is Tanuja and I live in Bhopal city. And by profession, I'm a software engineer working in the IT industry. And moreover, I run a YouTube channel in my free time, you can say. And my hobbies, I love dancing, painting, and traveling. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, that's great. You introduce from your side.
Where do you work? I missed that part.
I work in hospital. This is the
Hospital.
community hospital
Mm-hmm.
where patients come who have fever, diarrhea, dysentery.
Mm-hmm.
So that kinds of patient and foot injury.
Okay.
So I give medicine and give good suggestion, which is the best for him
Mm-hmm.
or her. And immunization program also running in my hospital. So I do work in immunization, inject to the like as children. So that kinds of work I work
Okay.
in
Mm-hmm.
hospital.
Okay. Yeah, great. So what do you usually do on weekends?
To normal conversation, any friends,
Mm-hmm.
and just stay in my room and visit some friends. Just normal, no any plan to weekends.
Okay. So what is your plan for today? Is it same or something different?
No, I don't know. Today's normal. My plan and today's like as I would like to go market
Mm-hmm.
to visit some friends and just normal, no
So
anymore.
do you like traveling or not?
I like traveling. Who is man who is not like traveling? Traveling means you would like to go any places. You get new things, environment, everything you get new.
Yes.
So are you interested? Yes. Human nature, they would like to go new place and they visit some things like as culture, environment, everything new. New is to excitement to the people.
Yes, that
Yes. So
yes.
traveling, I like it. Most I
Yeah.
like it. Sometimes I do did traveling many times.
Mm-hmm.
I visited hilly area,
Mm-hmm.
mountain area.
Okay.
So like as climbing, downing. So it is also excited to me.
Okay.
Okay,
So
and natural beauty,
do you
everything.
consider yourself adventurous person?
Oh, actually, normal. No, like to give
Mhm.
topic. So, what is the village life and town life? Yes,
Okay.
this is the like as what is the advantage of village life and what is the disadvantage of town life. To discuss about both, village is best or town is best. What's your opinion?
Okay. So I would say it is very difficult to choose any one of them. Like we say, every coin has two sides. So, like we can say that village has their own advantage and disadvantage, same as city. So it depends which kind of person you are and which things you like a lot. Like
Yes.
if you are living in village, so I think people who are living since birth, so they like that place a lot. So in my case,
Yes.
like I'm living in city, so yes, I like city life like a lot as compared to village. If they are living in village, so maybe they like their village a lot, village life, because their simplicity and everything you get fresh, not
Yes.
in city. And there are so much hustle and bustle in city. People are just chasing, they are going here and there for work purpose, and they are like more busy, kind of busy in their life, own life, and they don't get
Yes.
chance to just sitting around and chit chatting and all. But in village I have seen that people are very calm and composed. They spend some time with their family members. Apart from work, they are free to uh, have some time with their loved one. So it's like that. In city we have multiple facilities, so you don't have to bother too much about anything like transportation, hospitals, good schools,
Yes.
education, everything. But in village, it is very hard to find nearby. Even my parents belongs to village area, so I
Okay.
have seen that everything they have to struggle a lot for anything. When
Yes.
I have to travel, from railway station to my place in village, so finding a
Yes.
transportation is also kind of biggest task there. It's like that. Yeah, now things has changed a lot, but I'm talking about the earlier days. So that time it was very hard to manage everything. But now, yeah, things are getting
Yes.
changing day by day, and in
Yes.
village also there are multiple facilities are now available.
Basically, most of people like they stay in town, and most of people they like stay to uh, village. If I stay in village, so village environment it's quite village village persons to cooperate with each other.
Yeah.
If you have any problem in your home, in your community, so everybody help easily
Mm-hmm.
in the village life. Yes,
Yeah.
and if you stay in town, if you have any problem, so no anyone to help easily
Yeah.
because there is no one recognize you. Yes, and there is not feeling. So it is the disadvantage.
Mm-hmm.
Village life is the better than town life. Like as village, you get everything fresh environment. If you would like to eat vegetables, fruits, and everything, they get easily cheapest. In town, you get everything, but not refresh, and you have to pay expensive.
Yeah.
That is the difference, town and village. Yeah,
Yeah.
in village, school, college, market is not available.
Mm-hmm.
Little bit at this time, like as primary level, school, college available. It's only higher education is available. So that is the difference. Something, some places, some things is village better. Some things, like as town better.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Like I said, it depends on person also, like about their
yes,
interest. And I have seen that people, like I said, that people who are living there, they like that place a lot. Whether they have
yes,
advantage or disadvantage, no matter. Here, if you are compromising for something, so you are getting another benefit. And similarly in village also. If you are getting some benefits, but you have to pay for some other things. So it's like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so if you would get a chance to live in a city, you are getting high earning and everything, facilities, everything in city. So would you like to, settle down there or not?
Yes, I have to sit there because earning, every person needs money. Yes,
Mhm.
and sometimes I settle, I stay, which times I work in city. At that times I have to stay compelled because I work there. I am earning money there, so I have to sit. I have to stay there.
Mhm.
But my work is finished and my job is finished, and after then return my village.
Okay.
Another topic.
Mhm.
Uh, if anybody they would like to learn English language,
Okay.
so who is beginners? What kinds
Mhm.
of suggest them improve our communication skill? You have idea, so you give to the beginners.
Well, so first of all, I would say that they should start listening some basic English, kind of stories or animated stories or anything related to English content. But it should be like the simple English, and they should get content to their ears that yes, they are listening to that language again and again, so that they would be habitual of listening those kind of things. And then
Oh,
they should first, at least once, they should go through the basic grammatical portion as well, I would advise. Like they should understand exactly what is verb, subject, and how we are using it. No need to
oh,
cram up all these things. No need to do remember all those things in a single shot. But yeah, you can go through it so that you can understand what exactly things are in English. And then they should start making sentences by their own and speak aloud with their mouth. So I would advise this thing. But I think I have seen that people, they understand English but not able to speak, just because they consume English content but never trying to speak by their mouth. So this is the biggest thing,
yes,
because they hesitate and get nervous. They think about others and about their mistakes. So these things you have to remove from your mind, that nobody cares a lot. You just have to open up yourself. You have to speak. Because I consider myself, I was the same person. I used to hesitate a lot. I knew a lot of things, but I never tried to speak. And once I started
yes,
speaking, at the beginning, I made numerous mistakes. And
yes,
I didn't care about others. Yeah, sometimes I got negative feedback also. You are not speaking well, you are making many mistakes, etc. But I never cared about those things. And that's why I'm here,
yes,
because I never tried to, focus on
yes,
negative parts. So this is the things we
yes,
have to do, and especially for beginners, they should start speaking even a single sentence or single words at their home, in their surrounding. They try to narrate. I never tried at the beginning to speak with partners. I tried to speak with
yes.
myself first. No,
Myself first.
I didn't, even tried in front of, camera or maybe mirror. I just spoke wherever I am sitting. I'm just speaking. So this is how I
Yes.
did practice. So they can also do the same thing.
It means who is beginners, they have to start it like as simple words,
Yes,
simple sentence you
simple sentence.
create, and you don't think if I have everything, so only I try to speak. Yes, you have any things,
Mhm.
you have which knowledge, you speak out is the speaking practice first.
Yes.
Basically, you said they would like to learn. They everything study, reading,
Mhm.
listening, writing, everything do. But they wouldn't like to speak.
Yeah.
Yes. So it is
Yes.
the weakness point any
Mhm.
learner.
Yes,
So
definitely.
that kinds of person, you listen a lot, you read, write, everything you do. But when do you not speaking practice, so you are not able to speak. So
Mhm.
try to speak. And ma'am, I would like to say about your journey and When did you start? So what kinds of problem do you facing? And this time, what is the difference between first day and this day? So can you share with me?
Yes, definitely. So I would start from the beginning because I have done my schooling from Hindi medium. So I was always insecure about this thing that I can't learn this language. This is very difficult for Hindi medium people. I used to think in that way. So I never tried to learn
Yes.
this language. And I did engineering. Until then, I was very nervous and very hesitant to speak this language because I had seen that in my classmates they were very good at this language because they had done their schooling and their background was very much strong already. So I
Yes.
was very insecure. And after completing my graduation, I was giving interviews actually. And that time, that was the very first time I had to crack interviews in English language. Interviewer were asking every questions in English, and I had to give answers in English. And that was the
Yes.
very first time that I had to speak. So somehow I tried to speak, but I got rejected in multiple interviews just because of communication skills.
Yes.
Every time I got this comment or feedback like I can't learn this, my communication is not good. So
Yes.
somehow I worked, like I learned survival English, like how to give answers, and I just prepared in that way. Interviews perspective only.
Yes.
And fortunately, I got placed in one of the MNC company. So here in IT company, you know that English is mandatory, so you have to speak. So
Yes.
I got the environment that people are already speaking in meetings in English language only, and I was very hesitant to even speak up a single sentence. So
Yes.
this hit me a lot, like how would I survive here if I don't know English language? So
Yes.
that's why I started my YouTube journey also. And yeah, gradually I learned this language and now I'm able to speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the first day you gave interview. So that times you facing problem. Many
Yes.
person is spoke English, but you are not. When you were not speaking there, you are feeling hesitate. Oh my God! Every person speak, but
Yeah.
I am not able to. What we survive in there in this environment. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So we can't escape from there, because all why we are doing study, because all ultimate goal is to get a job. And to
Okay.
survive in that job, I need to learn this language. So that was my compulsion that time. But now I am enjoying, to be honest, because it is not just bounded to your job. It is required
Yes.
everywhere. Even if you are going to a good
Yes.
restaurant, you are meeting with a like professional person, then you have to speak in English only. Yeah.
Okay, okay, it's okay. And thank you giving me this opportunity.
Well, like,
Precious your time. So I would like to thank a lot. And
thank
next
you to
time,
you as well.
connected.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.